this is Big Country, and I know I had to change the name because of copyright, but today we're going to be doing a suicide video with tea, Kool-Aid, milk, and water. Well, first we're going to get right to it, but a little shout out to Caleb's World, and oh yeah, a little, giveaway. Saints that lost yesterday. But yeah, let's just get started. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna have to wait a little bit, give about an hour in the freezer, and when I eat dinner, I'm gonna drink it while I eat dinner. And warning, there might be vomit. Watch to the end. So I'm only gonna put a little bit of each. Or I can just drink it if I get done right away. Should give it, It's gonna be horribly nasty. But yeah, that's what I've been doing in my day. So, if you want to see what it looks like, right there's what it looks like. I messed up there. Yeah, so let me shake it up. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and drink it. What the heck? Oh yeah, and if you're watching my first video, give it a little shake and bake. Please check out Caleb Cook's channel called Caleb's World. Oh, it actually smells like chocolate milk. Smells like strawberry milk. Okay, you ready? Wait, just a second. Yeah, I gotta get the trash can. In case, vomit. Let's get this right up here. Okay, ready? Yeah. Get that kind of milk taste. Ugh. Yeah. Take another sip for all. Ugh. That wouldn't throw up. Okay, well, it's the end of that video. That's gonna take a while to get out my mouth. But yeah, if you want, shout out to Ozark Trail. It's my new favorite drink, canister, cup. Well, yeah. Well, subscribe, comment, and see you next video.